Before we begin, I would like to warmly welcome all of you to this channel and sincerely thank you for spending your valuable time with us today. By watching this video, you are not only improving your English speaking and listening skills, but also learning one of the most valuable life lessons about controlling the mind, managing emotions, and creating inner peace. This video will help you in many important ways. You will improve your English listening skills through simple and clear English. You will learn useful vocabulary and daily English expressions. You will practice pronunciation and speaking confidence. And most importantly, you will understand how to control your thoughts and develop a calm, focused, and positive mindset. So this is not just an English lesson. This is also a guide to emotional balance, self-control, confidence, peace of mind, and personal growth. Now relax your mind, stay focused, and let's begin. Today, we are going to talk about an important topic: how to control your thoughts. Every day, thousands of thoughts pass through the human mind. Some thoughts are positive and helpful. Some thoughts are negative and harmful. Sometimes people become trapped in fear, stress, anger, regret, jealousy, or overthinking. Negative thoughts slowly steal happiness, confidence, and peace of mind. But here is an important truth. You cannot always control what happens around you, but you can learn to control how you think. Now let's practice some English sentences together. Repeat after me slowly and clearly. I control my thoughts wisely. My mind becomes calm and peaceful. I choose positive thinking. I grow stronger every day. Very good. Now let's go deeper. Part 1. Understand the power of thoughts. Your thoughts shape your emotions. Your emotions influence your actions, and your actions slowly shape your future. A person who constantly thinks negatively often feels tired, hopeless, and discouraged. But a person who develops positive and disciplined thinking usually becomes calmer, stronger, and more confident. This is why controlling your thoughts is so important. Your mind can become your greatest friend or your greatest enemy. Now repeat after me. My thoughts shape my life. I protect my peace of mind. I train my mind positively. Excellent. Number 2, stop overthinking. Many people spend too much time worrying about the future or regretting the past. They repeat the same problems again and again inside their minds. This habit is called overthinking. Overthinking creates stress, fear, confusion, and emotional exhaustion. Sometimes the mind creates problems that do not even exist. That is why learning to calm the mind is very important. Whenever negative thoughts appear, pause for a moment and take a deep breath. Ask yourself, is this thought helping me or hurting me? This simple question can help you become more aware of your thinking patterns. Now repeat after me slowly. I release unnecessary fear. I stay calm and focused. I focus on solutions, not stress. Very good. Number 3, control what enters your mind. The human mind is like a garden. If you plant positive seeds, beautiful flowers will grow. But if you fill your mind with negativity, anger, and fear, your inner peace slowly disappears. That is why you must be careful about what you watch, listen to, and think about every day. Spend time with positive people. Listen to inspiring messages. Read useful books. Learn new skills. Healthy information creates a healthy mind. Now repeat after me. I protect my mind carefully. I feed my mind with positivity. My thoughts become healthier every day. Excellent. Practice gratitude. One powerful way to control negative thinking is gratitude. Many people focus only on what they do not have. Because of this, they feel unhappy all the time. But grateful people focus on blessings instead of problems. Even during difficult times, there is always something to appreciate: your health, your family, your opportunities, your ability to learn and grow. Gratitude changes the direction of your thoughts. Now repeat after me slowly and clearly. I appreciate my life. I focus on my blessings. Gratitude brings peace into my mind. Very good. Train your mind daily. A peaceful mind does not happen automatically. Just like the body needs exercise, the mind also needs training. You can train your mind through meditation, prayer, reading, journaling, positive self-talk, mindfulness, healthy routines. Small daily habits create powerful mental strength over time. Now repeat after me. I train my mind daily. I become mentally stronger. I create peace within myself. Excellent. Now let me tell you a meaningful story. There was once a young man who constantly worried about everything. He worried about the future. He worried about failure. He worried about what other people thought about him. Because of this, he felt tired and unhappy almost every day. One day, he met an old teacher who gave him simple advice. The teacher said, "You cannot stop birds from flying over your head, but you can stop them from building a nest in your mind." At first, the young man did not fully understand those words, but later he realized something important. Negative thoughts may appear naturally, but he did not need to hold on to them. Slowly, he began changing his habits. He practiced gratitude daily. He spent less time around negativity. He learned meditation and mindfulness. He focused on solutions instead of fear. Little by little, his mind became calmer and stronger. His problems did not disappear overnight, but his way of thinking changed completely. And when his thinking changed, his life also became more peaceful. This story teaches us an important truth. Peace begins inside the mind. Now think about your own thoughts. Are you feeding your mind with positivity or negativity? Are your thoughts helping you grow or making you weak? Remember this: your mind becomes stronger when you consciously guide your thoughts. Now take a deep breath and repeat after me slowly and confidently. I control my thoughts wisely. I let go of unnecessary fear. I choose peace and positivity. My mind becomes calm and powerful. Excellent. Now let's understand another important truth. A peaceful mind creates a peaceful life. People who control their thoughts usually make better decisions, build healthier relationships, and handle challenges more wisely. Inner peace is one of the greatest forms of strength. Now repeat after me one final time. I stay calm during challenges. I believe in myself. I grow stronger every day. I create peace through positive thinking. Very good. At the end of this video, remember one powerful truth. You may not control every situation in life, but you can always learn to control your thoughts and reactions. So continue training your mind, continue practicing positivity, and never stop building inner peace and emotional strength. Keep learning English, keep improving your mindset, and keep moving forward toward a peaceful and meaningful life. Thank you again for watching this video and supporting this channel. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.